Hello everyone, how are you? Dollar Currency 21 is here again. We want to talk about how to use Ichimoku for an edge-to-edge trade. Okay, this is our Twitter account. Go and follow us. There is a lot of educational content in our Twitter. Let's jump into the charts. Here is the Bitcoin chart, okay? And we want to use Ichimoku and learn how to use it for an edge-to-edge trade. Let's jump, for example, here. Okay, I'm going to cut the price, for example, from here, yeah, and we want to go candle by candle, okay. I told you before that above the cloud we are bullish, yeah, below the cloud we will be bearish, and inside the cloud you are not allowed to trade, and it's a neutral zone. But as a professional trader you can trade with these techniques even inside the cloud. Okay, the name of this trade is edge to edge trade, from one edge of the cloud to second edge of the cloud. Okay, and this technique is actually is not the credit of this tool is not for me. It belongs to the Kumo Pauper. Shout out to him. He's one of the most amazing teachers out there using Ichimoku. Definitely go and follow him. The guy is a legend. Okay, so we want to talk about the edge-to-edge trade. For an edge-to-edge trade, we need several signs. First, we need a big and thick Kumo cloud like this one. Okay. Second, we need a bullish cross between Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen. Okay, some traders say no, we don't need a bullish cross between Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, but to me, a bullish cross between Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen before an edge-to-edge trade, okay, is a confirmation. Okay. Third, we need a candle close inside the cloud. Okay, so let's see. Here I don't have any bullish crosses, so I'm gonna wait. Price tested the bottom of the cloud. We know that the bottom of the cloud acting as a resistance. Okay, it's Senko span A and acting as a resistance, so we get rejected. Okay, at the second candle we are at the bottom of the cloud. Okay, here in this candle we have a bullish cross between Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen. Also we closed inside the cloud, so this is a long position for me. I'm gonna enter here. Your stop loss will be below the flat Kijun-sen, like here, and your target will be the other side of the Kumo cloud, like this. The point is, the bigger the Kumo cloud, the better the risk to reward. So the thick, if your Kumo cloud is thicker, your risk to reward will be better. Okay, so here, and another thing is, usually because the cloud is thick and the pressure inside the cloud is really high, we see some kind of attempt. Okay, probably price will be get rejected. Okay, to the downside. Its second attempt usually we will be able to broker it to the upside. Okay, so if we see some kind of rejection in this kind of things, don't be scared. You have a stop loss. Okay, and another thing is, if instead of, for example, two attempts, you see three attempts like this, okay, this is not an edge to edge trade, and most of the times we will be get rejected to the downside. Okay, so one attempt to the other side of the cloud is okay for me. Second attempt is also okay for me, but if it's remains here for a while, that's some kind of weaknesses inside the cloud, and the possibility for rejection will be higher. Okay, so here in this trade I'm gonna watch it and see the price goes to the upside, and before that, look, this kind of cloud actually for me think like an elevator. This is a gap for me. Okay, in an elevator, when you enter from one side of the cloud, the expectation is to go up and test the other side of the cloud. Do you know why? I told you before. The Senko spanner A, which is the bottom of the cloud here, acting as a resistance. Okay? The top of the cloud, which is Senko spanner B, acting as another resistance. So what can happen when you broke one resistance? Usually you want to go up and test the other resistance. Yeah? So actually it acting as a elevator for us. Let's see what's gonna happen. Price moving inside the cloud, okay? We see some kind of bearishness, yeah? This bearishness is because of this high here, okay? This is a high here, and we have some kind of resistance here, okay? It's based on the price action. So we got rejected. We want to go down here. Again, on the second attempt, we want to test it. What's gonna happen? Okay, price is moving up. Here, price actually tested our target. If you can see here, so taking profit here is reasonable. And at this level, 100%, this is your exit point, okay? Make sure that definitely you exit it here, okay? And note that also this is not another long position for you. Why? If you want to, for example, open another long position here, you will be in a big trouble. Why? Because yeah, we had a bullish cross. Yeah, the Chikou span broke the Kumo to the upside. Yes, the price broke the Kumo to the upside, but you don't see any bullish future Kumo. Yeah, so this is not a long position for me here. I had my long position from bottom of the Kumo to the top of the Kumo during this area. I'm taking profit. Goodbye. Yeah, so if this is truly a bullish momentum, you have to wait for future Kumo to turn bullish, and after that, when you are hovering here, you can open your long position after that. Okay, so be patient. I'm going to show you another example. Okay, so this is a Ethereum chart. Let's see. Let me cut the price, for example, from here. Yeah. This is an Ethereum chart, and we want to see whether we have a H2H trade or not. So as you can see, price here is below the Tenkan-sen and below the Kijun-sen. We are waiting. We have a big tick Kumo cloud. Check. This is one of those signs. Okay. So here we have a bullish momentum. Price broke the Kijun-sen to the upside. Here we have a bullish cross between Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen. So that's our second signal. I need a candle close inside the cloud for my H2H trade. Okay. So price is moving like this. Here we broke the Kumo cloud to the upside and we closed inside it. You can open your long position here, and you can wait for another confirmation. Okay, it depends on you. So here is your long position. Usually I prefer to see another candle, for example, like this. It's more trustable here. I'm gonna put my stop loss below the flat Kijun-sen, and your target will be at the top of the cloud. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. Price is moving here like this. 100% this is your exit point, and we tested the top of the cloud. Okay, 100% is your exit point. Why is your exit point? Because who knows, maybe price do something like this and you will be get stopped out. Okay, if if it is be a real and actually bullish momentum to the upside, you will see the future Kumo cloud turn to the bullish. Okay, Chikou span broke the Kumo cloud to the upside, and price broke the Kumo cloud to the upside and hovering here. And you can open your long position from here to the upside. Okay, definitely take your profit after H2H trade. We hunted this area, which was pretty amazing for us. Okay, and let's see if you didn't take profit in this situation, what can happen after that. You will be regret. Yeah, so definitely take profit here. Okay, another example, for example, like let's check some kind of example like this. Okay, this is a, for example, BNB chart. Okay, I'm gonna, for example, check it here. Yeah, let's see whether it's a H2H trade or not. So we have a big tick Kumo cloud. Check. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. Price is moving like this. Okay, Here we broke the Kumo cloud to the upside, but we don't have any bullish crosses between Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen. Some of the traders say, yeah, this is a long position for me, but I prefer to wait for a bullish cross between Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen. Why? Because maybe there is just a fake out and price move to the downside. Okay, it depends on you. It totally depends on your personality. I'm not opening a long position here. Here I can open a long position here, but as you can see, the opportunity is already lost. Okay, and also we have a big flat Kijun-sen here, which acting as a resistance. So you can open your long position, but the risk to reward ratio is not proper for me, so I'm gonna just let it go. Okay, price is moving up, and as you can see, it tested our target, and this was actually was a correct edge to edge trade. But I have a certain role, and I wanted to see a bullish cross. The bullish cross happened, but the opportunity already lost. Okay, you can open a long position here and put your stop loss here and say, yeah, from here to here was your edge to edge trade. Okay, let's see if there is another opportunity for our edge to edge trade. And let me cut the price, for example, from here. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a big tick Kumo cloud check. Okay, so this is a good uh, this will be a good trade for us because we have a thick Kumo cloud, so the risk to reward ratio will be high. Okay, here we have a bullish cross between Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, as you can see. Okay, so Tenkan-sen broke the Kijun-sen to the upside. I need the candle close inside the cloud. Okay, this is actually is my long position. I'm gonna open a long position. Your stop loss will be below the flat Kijun-sen. Your target will be at the top of the cloud. Okay, so here I'm going to see what can happen. Price is moving inside the cloud and we are testing the upside of cloud. This is your exit point 100%. Okay, you hunted these levels, which is cool for you. Okay, I'm going to give you a trick in your all of your positions. Okay, you can use this trick in all of your positions. There is no difference. uh, when you have your target, for example, in this trade, you know that this is your target. You know that this is your target, and this is your entry point, and this is your stop losses. Okay, so this distance is your profit, and this distance is your loss. Okay, how much is your uh, profit in this trade? 21% is your trade. Okay, so let me cut the price from here. Imagine this is my actual trade. Let me increase the opacity of the long and short position. Okay, so here 21% is your profit here. The half of that will be approximately here, which is 10%. Okay, when the price touches this 10%, the half of your profit, you can move your stop loss to your entry point, and it will be a risk-free trade. Look, price is moving up. Okay, price is moving up. At this level, I'm gonna when price touches this level, I'm just gonna move my stop loss to my entry point. Okay, in this situation, even if I see something like this, that will be no profit, no loss. Okay, and that will be a break-even trade. So it's a risk-free trade for me now. Okay, and here I'm gonna exit the trade. You can use this strategy in all of your trade when you have an actual target for your uh, profit. Another trick is, for example, I told you that here. Let me cut the price, okay, and move with this candle. Okay, so this is actually an edge to edge trade. We know that this is an edge to edge trade, and we are in a daily time frame. So this is a daily time frame, and we have an edge to edge trade in a daily time frame. Okay, and we know that the price probably gonna move something like this, and our target is the top of the cloud. Okay, so here's the trick. just draw a box here, which is the Senko spanner B, okay? Mark it as a resistance wall. This is your resistance wall, the top of the cloud, okay? And here is where the price is. The bottom of the cloud will be, okay? It will be your support, okay? And you know that price wanted to move between these two levels. We are in a daily time frame. So you can go in a, for example, 4-hour time frame, or for example, 1-hour time frame. Yeah. In a 1-hour time frame, for example, you have a, a level, okay? And you know that probably price want to move between these two levels, and this will be your actual pass for the price. Okay, so during this period of time in a lower time frame, you can open several long positions. Whenever you see a signal where in a 1-hour time frame, you can reduce your position size. You can your stop losses are smaller. You can have several trades, and all of them will be long, and you know that the target, you have your entry point. Okay, so you can analyze based on a daily time frame, and you can find your entry and exit point based on a lower time frame. I hope you enjoyed this session. See you later. Bye.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger.